Hello guys, welcome to another awesome video. I still mom Chukwuka Obeleagu, and today's video I just want to give an advice to those TVcians out there who are constantly contacting the customer support of TST Bank. Okay, look, Tbc009 wallet is yet to be restored. So what you need to do right now, is make sure you have created an account with TST Bank. So what you do if you have the Billion Coin app, the latest version, is you go to Tbc009 Swap. Okay, you go there, all right, and you create your account. All right, okay, you create your account. All right, now if you have created your account, all you simply need to do is wait for Tbc009 to come back online. That's all. Okay, you don't need to chat the customer support every minute. You don't need to chat the customer support of TST Bank every second, asking them about Tbc009 wallet. They know nothing about it. They are not part of the development process, so hence they cannot give you a clear answer. Okay, so what you simply need to do, just create your account and exercise patience. Rather, if you contact the customer support, they will give you the link to the Telegram group of Kringle-TST Swap. Okay, when they give you the link, then you now join the group. Then if you have any question, you can ask the group. I myself will be present in the group to respond to all your questions. Okay, but please stop bombarding or stop spamming the customer support of TST Bank. Okay, create your account on TST Bank and exercise patience for Tbc009 wallet to come back online from maintenance. Okay, all right, so guys, that's it for this video. If you want to know update of what's happening with Tbc009, you can go directly to the Tbc009 wallet. Okay, right here, click on it and you'll see the latest update. Also, if you attend the daily meetings, okay, you can find out from them via Zoom what the issue is and why it's taking so long for the wallet to come back online. Okay, you can also use the help desk in your Kringle-TST account to reach the customer support of TST Bank. The customer support of TBC, that is the Billion Coin. Okay, all right guys, that's it for this video. Thank you guys for watching. Until I see you guys next time, take care. Bye for now.